What's up, guys? Chris Williams here. I know, it has been over 3 months since I dropped my last video. It is crazy, had some crazy time. Just a little update. My last video I left off on was finding cash buyers to cold call. I had filmed several videos after that, several follow-up videos, pulling vacants to cold call. I recorded several videos of me cold calling cash buyers, and when I went to edit the videos, I just ran into computer crashing problems, all kinds of problems, files randomly deleting, and so went through about a week of all these kind of problems, and I really got kind of sick of it and just kind of put it on the back burner for a while. So in the last 3 months, still been doing business, actually moved out of my big office, finally downsized into a smaller office. I'm here at the Hub in Fresno. If you follow real estate entrepreneur Michael Zuber, One Rental at a Time, he gives a lot of shout outs to the Hub, which is his building. So I am renting an office space here, myself and my team, and just been plugging away, just focusing on growing my business here. So I wanted to follow up on that last video I made, which was finding cash buyers to cold call, and I was using PropStream. And so I did record a video right after that of me actually cold calling those cash buyers. I spent about an hour, or actually about an hour of footage. Spoke to a good amount of buyers, filmed it. So rather than trying to drop one 1 hour video, I'm gonna split it up between like 10 to 15 minutes. It'll probably end up being about a 3 or 4 part video. And so that's what this is here. And I just wanna make a disclaimer and an apology. I realized after the fact that the footage is a little blurry, but really what you need is the audio. And so something that I do try to drive home is that cold calling cash buyers is very simple. You're just having a conversation. It doesn't have to be scary. It doesn't have to be complex. And so this is what it is. Really hope you enjoy it. Hope you learn from it. Drop some questions. Remember, hit that like button, subscribe. Let's get into it. I don't normally use scripts when I call cash buyers. I just have a conversation, ask some questions, but that's mainly because I've been doing this for a while. I downloaded a little script here that I'm just gonna sort of kind of follow along today. I understand if you're a newer wholesaler, you're new at talking to cash buyers, you might need a little bit of a script in front of you. So I'm just gonna kind of take it from that perspective as well. I don't try to follow exactly a script. I just, like I said, I have a conversation here. So I've got my Excel file, got some paperwork. Normally I just write some notes, and then after maybe an hour or so of calling, I will take all my notes and put it into my Podio, create some new contacts there. Now this first buyer on this list is somebody I've spoken to before. I think he's an agent too. I may have spoken with him a year or two ago. I just recognize his name. So we'll see if he's still buying. Hey, is this Celso?
Yes.
Hey, Celso. My name's Chris Williams. We spoke maybe about a year ago or so. I'm a real estate investor and wholesaler here in Fresno.
Yeah.
How are you doing, man?
Doing good.
Good. Hey, I'm just making some calls to see if you're still buying around here.
Always.
Okay, good. Yeah, I know a lot of buyers have kind of dropped out of the market right now.
Yeah, those are the ones I don't know what they're doing.
Dude, I feel you. Yeah, I see you recently bought one on Olive.
Yeah, I'm about to close that one next week.
Oh, nice. Did you flip it?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. So are you just fix and flipping right now, or are you also buying and holding?
Whatever. Buying, holds, flips, rentals, as long as it makes money. That makes sense.
For sure. Okay. Well, I'm trying to update my cash buyers list here. So do you mind just taking a minute, kind of telling me what you're looking for?
I'm driving right now. I'm coming back in about 3 hours. I'm on the highway.
3 hours. Okay.
Yeah.
You
got time.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey Scott, my name is Chris. I am a real estate investor and wholesaler here in Fresno. I saw that you recently purchased a property on Orchard. We just wanted to touch base, see if you're looking to buy anything else. If you could give me a call, my cell phone is 987. Thanks. So if I'm calling straight from maybe an Excel file, I'll put in notes of when I called, when I left a message. I used to use dialers. I'll probably get a dialer here in the next couple weeks or so. Something like Mojo or Call Tools. Phenomenal. You can call 2, 3, 4 lines at a time. Get a hold of a lot of people. But in one of my other recent videos, I talked about how I just really cut down on subscriptions. So the downside of that is, have to hand dial. But the plus is I have very low expenses now. So one thing I like to do is I might like to set goals. Maybe I want to talk to 10 people. Maybe I want to make 100 calls, something like that. So I might have a piece of paper next to me. I have that goal written out. And then as I make a call, I just make a check or something like that, just to keep track for myself to know, like, hey, I can't get up out of my seat until I finish this goal, just to make sure that I hit my daily goal for the day.
Hello, this is Nelson.
Hey, Nelson, how are you doing?
Good.
Good. Hey, my name's Chris. I am a real estate investor and wholesaler here in Fresno. I see that you had recently purchased a house on Kirkhoff. Is that correct?
Yes.
Well, awesome, man. Hey, just wanted to touch base and see, by chance, are you still actively buying and looking for other properties to purchase?
Sure, if the opportunity is good.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Well, do you mind if I just get some information from you and see if I can, add you to my buyers list and potentially send you our next deal?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure, why not?
Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Well, Nelson, do you have a preferred area that you like to invest in?
Yeah, I actually do. I prefer kind of a little more south, like Selma, Parlier, Wrigley, Kingsburg.
Yeah.
But Fowler, pretty much in the south of Fresno. But again, I will not eliminate Fresno. If the opportunity is good, hey, I'm willing to drive a little bit harder. So
sure. Do you live in Parlier?
I live actually in Parlier, so
okay.
That's why.
Perfect. Yeah, my wife's grandma lives there.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah. Okay. Well, Nelson, how long have you been investing for?
About 3.5 years, 4 more or less.
Okay, awesome. So do you
usually get some deals?
You say when or where?
No, where?
Yeah, mostly Fresno. I've been doing this full time for 6 years, but a total about 10 years. So mostly Fresno, South Fresno, Southwest Fresno. 9370201.
Oh, that's good.
Every night.
Fresno is fine.
Yeah.
And, I've been doing this for about 4 years, but I am also a real estate agent
for
17 years.
Nice. Okay.
So yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, every now and then I get something in like Reedley or Sanger Parlier as well. So.
Even though being in Fresno also put me down. Do you want my email? Maybe you want to email me addresses or whatever?
Yes. Yeah. Let me get your email.
Okay. It's N.
Okay. So Nelson, are you do you use strictly cash to purchase, private money,
yes.
Anything like that? Okay.
Yeah, it's always cash. Yes.
Okay. Now, do you have a preferred price range?
I would say probably about 120 and down.
Okay. Nice. And how many properties do you plan on buying a year?
Well, I've been doing 3 to 4 a year.
3 to 4 a year. Okay, that's pretty good. Nice. Okay. So, what do you typically look for in a deal? Are you looking just for like a certain discount of value, or maybe a certain amount of cash flow?
Well, I just I pretty much is that I can just make a profit.
Yeah. Okay.
It can be from a house. It doesn't matter if it's small. Maybe I can do an addition, or just the price and the value. I mean, if I see that there's value on the property and make a profit, I just go for it.
Yeah. So are you looking to flip?
It helps me the fact that I'm a real estate agent, so I can do like a projection.
Yes.
How much money I can invest on it.
Yeah.
And how much it can be resold for. So if the numbers work, you know?
Yeah, for sure.
We'll do
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, I'm the same way. So do you mostly fix and flip, or are you looking for rentals too?
No, just fix and flip.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome. How soon are you wanting to buy your next investment?
Well, I'm actually talking to 2 sellers right now at this time, so
Nice.
I'm actively doing that.
Yeah. Okay. So as soon as possible, that's definitely what you prefer.
Yeah. Whenever the opportunity comes.
Okay. Got it. And do you care about the level of repair, or do you have a preference?
No, not at all.
So pretty much as long as the numbers line up and you can make a good profit, you'll take it down. Awesome. I like to hear that. Yeah.
It could be a burnt house or just a house, that needs work. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, I love that. I'm the same way, man. I'm the same way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not scared of work.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, Nelson. Well, do you have any questions for me? I mean, I think I've got some pretty good info from you.
No, not. What's your name again?
It's Chris Williams.
Chris Williams.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and you from Fresno?
Yep. Yeah. So I mean, as far as real estate, I pretty much do it all. I fix and flip, I develop, I wholesale, and I'm an agent too. So it's just,
good.
Whenever.
Who do you work with?
On the agent side,
Yeah.
I'm with EXP.
Oh, good deal.
Yeah.
Wait, are you from Madera?
No.
No. Oh, okay. So I met a guy from Madera that I'm not sure. Kind of ring the bell. I thought that he said that it worked for EXP, but no, it might be someone else.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. And just it doesn't hurt to say it. In case if you have a property that you as an agent are trying to list and it's flippable, let me know beforehand, and maybe we can work it out. And I mean, you will be representing me. I'm not interested on gaining a 3% commission on a $60,000-$80,000 house.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. Okay.
So well, just keep it in mind and let me know.
Okay, man. Sounds good, Nelson.
Okay.
Really? Yeah.
Send me an email whenever you have a chance. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do.
Got it. Thank you for the
Appreciate
call.
it. Thank you for answering.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye. That was pretty good. All right. I'm gonna save his number into my phone. But again, like I said, when I'm done with this round, I'll pull up my Podio, add the notes, add all that in there. So again, very easy conversation. As far as when you're calling cash buyers, you don't really have to dig in too much as far as motivation and rapport. I mean, you're having a business conversation. For myself as a fix and flipper, I think I said it earlier, I like when people call me and send me deals because I don't have to pay for marketing, I don't have to negotiate with the seller, so it doesn't have to be difficult. Just have a conversation, like having a conversation with a friend.